to everyone about tonight is idling. And have you ever felt like you've been in this point in your life where you're idling, kind of just skating? The definition of idling is actually aimless, without purpose, and running slowly. And you might categorize yourself in this, but maybe you don't, because when people hear the word idling, they're actually hearing this negative connotation behind it. And I don't necessarily mean that you're unhappy, but it just means like, what are you working towards? What are you driving towards? So I actually found myself in this spot in my life. And you start to question, why do you do the things that you're doing? Maybe you're doing things you have to do, the things you're supposed to do. Have you ever been thinking there must be more? Like, I can do more, or I need more. So I found myself thinking, why is my schedule the way that it is? Why do I have the commitments that I have? What am I actually doing? Which brings me to my first point tonight, and that is figure out who you are and why you're here. And I don't mean actually here tonight, I mean like here on this planet on Earth. And
Seeing as we're like we can re-record.
Yeah.
Can I say something?
Yes.
If you give me an actual example of more like boring meetings where you're sitting there pulling your eyelashes out,
Okay.
that's better than just saying why am I here.
Right.
Just try to put an anecdote in there,
Right.
because everybody who's watching this is going to totally relate to that meeting or that time where you're like, what the hell am I doing in this room? Oh my
Okay.
God.
Okay.
This is like wasting 15 minutes of my life.
Right. Right.
So I don't know if that helps or not.
Okay. Well,
Can we restart?
Yeah.
Chris, can you
Let me
restart?
just-
I use Android now. I'm sorry.
You
I
what?
don't like Apple.
This is